Hey guys, welcome back. So I have got a random get ready with me video for y'all today. I just love to kind of just grab random things together and play with makeup on camera with y'all. So that's what I'm doing in this video. I kind of ended up going with a super glowy makeup look, like glowy eye look, glowy cheek, glowy skin, just a glowy makeup look. So that's what I ended up doing. So that's what we're doing. We're getting ready together today. So if you're new here, my name is Leslie. Welcome. I love to do get ready with me's, favorites, reviews, empties, just a lot of fun stuff here on my channel. So if you're new, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and stuck around for a while. I'd love to have you here on my channel. So yeah, we are playing with some makeup, getting ready together today. So let's get to it. Okay, so let's jump in. I think I'm gonna start with this, the Catrice Soft Glam Filter Fluid. And I think I'm going to start by putting this on the high points of my face, like kind of right in here. Use it more as like a highlighter sort of a product. I don't really know what I'm doing. Like, we're just kind of playing with makeup, having fun right now. Because that's what we do in these Get Ready With Me videos, is we just, you know, kind of play around with makeup and products and just, you know, kind of see what sort of a look we come up with. I'm thinking a glowy look. That's kind of my general idea. Like a glowy, just glowy all around, like glowy shadow, glowy blush. You know, that's what I'm thinking. I don't really know if that did a lot. I might mix one of these in later, the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion. But let's start with this. Or let's use this next, the Purito Seeker Clearing BB Cream. This just ends up looking glowy on my skin. Like, it's just very like hydrating and pretty looking on the skin. I love this stuff. I concentrate it in the middle of my face, kind of like tab where I want the most coverage, which is right in here where I have broken capillaries. I have a pimple out here, kind of like that. And then let's get a little bit more for my forehead. This packaging, I feel like there's not product and then suddenly all this product comes out. So it kind of, you know, sneaks up on you a little bit. All right, let's use some Alter Ego eyeshadow primer and some of my Brow Powerfull from IT Cosmetics. Just get my eyeshadow primer and my brows on. Nothing, you know, like special or different in this step. Alright, set it with some face powder. Go over my brows a little bit. This brow got a little bit interesting. I don't know. It looks a little funny. But, you know, brows are just kind of like that sometimes. They sort of, I don't know what's happening there. Okay, let's do an eyeshadow look. I think I'm going to start with, where is it? Malt from MAC. Malt from MAC, this one right here. We're going to start with that. Put that all over my lid and into my crease, just as like a base first step. I love this shade. I don't know how to describe it. It's like a pinky neutral. Oh my goodness, it's one of my very favorites. All right, start with that. Then I think I'm going to use, what is this one here? I'm going to use Soft Brown, this one right here. Just a little bit of this in my outer corner and blend over. I'm thinking not a very involved eye look. That's the general idea, but still glowy. Like, just, you know, that right there. And then I'm going to use MAC Sweet Heat. Like, so pretty, just the most beautiful extra dimension shadow. Let's get it on this. Oh, this is not it. Uh-oh, I grabbed the wrong one. This is Smoky Mauve. Hang on, this is Sweet Heat. This is what I was trying to grab. So I'm just gonna kind of buff and then buff this onto my lid and up into my crease. Just kind of get a soft, glowy, peachy eye look going. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That is really, really pretty. Okay, that is really, really pretty. I like that a lot. Okay, let's get just a little bit of Moira Chroma Light eyeshadow in Fairy Dust. I just want like a little bit of extra glow on the inner corners, like just a little something right in here. That's pretty. Okay, I think I'm gonna just grab a random liner to use. This is a doll tin liner. I don't even know what color this is. The name's probably not even on it anymore. I don't know. It looks like this. It's like a bronzy sort of a color. And I need a very tiny brush. Oh, here it is. The Delium Tools 790. It's like a very tiny angled brush. So I'm going to put just a little bit of this on my outer corner and then blend kind of a more, well, I was going to say a more subtle liner, but oh man, that hardly needs any, did I say that right? I don't know. Any blending. Just a tiny bit. Ooh, I like that. This side got a little bit more intense, so I had to kind of build up this side to like slightly kind of sort of match it. You know, it's not exact, but whatever. That's okay. All right, so there is that. Mascara, I'm just gonna use It Cosmetics Superhero. Okay, so there is that. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the Brightener shade, the pinky shade, and just use this right in the darkest area of my under eyes. It's right where I have the most discoloration. Kind of blend that line, just kind of right in here. I do this most days. Okay, this concealer is not glowy, but I love it so much for the coverage. This is the Ofra Perfect Cover Concealer. I wear it in light nude. They sent this to me a while back. So sweet of them. This is just like the best full coverage concealer. I love it so much. So I'm still gonna use it. And a little bit goes a long way with this, but oh my goodness, it's just so good. Like, let's cover up that pimple over there, that blemish. Put it a couple other places, just lightly apply. Okay, I will set my face later and I'm gonna try to lightly set it, just like in a few areas, not all over my face. I brought so many options for cheeks. I don't even know where to start. I think I'll start with the Ofra Do the Dew in Rose Quartz. This is really pretty on the cheeks. I don't even know how I want to apply this. I'm gonna get it on a small stipple brush kind of a situation. Just get some of this product. It's very pretty. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna make a huge mess. Oh, I didn't make a huge mess, but I got way too much product. That's too much. So let's just dab on the back of my hand. This is so glowy and pretty. Super glowy makeup is out of my comfort zone. It really is. Like, just keeping it all glowy and still getting kind of the coverage and stuff that I am used to and tend to go for. It's a little out of my comfort zone overall. So this is fun little exercise here. Okay, what do we want to do? I'm just looking in front of me, seeing what all options. Let's just play with several things. I'm going to use the Pixi On The Glow blush. This is in the PH like option. What do they call it? Cheek tone. I love this. It's so pretty. It's pretty on the cheeks too. Or I mean, it's pretty on the lips too. So let me just kind of warm up the product a little bit. And then, I was going to turn it up. Okay, a little bit like this. And then blend. This is very glowy for sure. These are super glowy. They sent this to me a while back. They're so pretty. If you love a glowy makeup look, I mean, look how pretty. Such little blending needed. Like, it's just such a beautiful product. Oh, that is so, so pretty. Okay, what do we want to do now? We're looking glowy. We are glowy. Let's get a little bit, this is going more pink than I was expecting, but I kind of like it. Let's use one of the Moira Love Steady Shimmer blushes. Oh, these are so cute. I'm debating between So Lucky and Just My Type. And yes, of course, I still have them in the box because y'all know I keep stuff in their boxes sometimes. I don't know why. I just do. Why am I shaking this? You don't need to shake this, but I'm shaking it. This is the color Just My Type. So I'm going to go with this one, but very little because it's pigmented. These are glowy and beautiful. Too much. Too much. A little bit on my nose, just a tiny bit. Okay, do we want a little bit more of this just for fun? This is the other shade. I grabbed the other one earlier to show you, like this one, the Lumi Glotion. This is in 902. This one is in 901. I don't know why I'm shaking this. I feel like I need to shake that one. I think I might get a little bit of this on just my cheekbones. Just get a little bit on a smaller brush. Let's see. Can I get just a little bit on a brush? Something like this. Back of my hand would have been a lot easier, but that's what I did. Oh, this is pretty. Yeah, that's beautiful. So, so pretty. Okay, I am going to put something on top of these products just to give a little bit more longevity. I'm gonna do a little bit of Milani. This is a Dulce Pink, and I'm gonna buff this. Like get a little bit on a brush like this, but then kind of buff it on the back of my hand because I don't want a lot of this product. I just want a little bit. This is still glowy, so we'll keep the glow, but we'll kind of help set it a little bit. Oh yeah, and it kind of helped blend everything. We've got a lot of blush on right now. This is funny. We're very blushy. Okay, what do I want to do? Let's see. Let me. Good one. Do I have a? I don't know if I have a lip liner. I'm going to use a little bit of the Essence Baby Got Blush just around the outsides of my. What? I don't even know what I'm saying. Around the outsides of my lips. I use this as a liner. I don't know why, but I like it as a liner. Then I'm going to use this L'Oreal PH. This is one of the Plump Ambition Hyaluron Lip Oils, but this is the PH, and this is in the like rosy pinky shade. I don't know why the end gets like this, but it does. Very pretty pink. So pretty. Okay, I do want to do some setting. So let's get just a little bit of the L'Oreal Blurfection. This is not really a glowy powder, but I still I like a little bit of a set face, you know? So let's see, what is this? An e.l.f. This is a blush brush, but it's got a little bit of a tulip shape to it. I'm gonna get just a little bit of the product, like dip it in here, and then I'm gonna dip it in the lid, kind of swirl it so I don't have a lot of product. Just sort of buff this. I'll kind of swipe it, I guess I am. Under the eye area. Well, no, I'm tapping. And then sweep it. I have to set in here, y'all. I have to. Kind of like this. I'm a combo skin girly. So yeah, the super glow is like, oh, that's too much for me. It's too much. Okay, that helps a little bit. The blush is cracking me up because there's so much. Let me put a little bit of this under my eyes too, just to kind of fully set my concealer. Kind of like that. I want to do a little bit of shadow. I'm going to put a little bit of, what is this? Soft brown along my lower lash line, just a little bit. Kind of in the outer third or so. Just a tiny bit. Kind of helps to, I don't know, bring everything together or something. A little bit like that. Okay. And then I'm going to use a little bit of Clump Crusher, CoverGirl Clump Crusher on my lower lashes. Okay, and then I'm going to get just a little bit of the Laura Geller Baked Balance and Brighten in Porcelain. And let's see. I'm going to get a big brush. This is the BK Beauty 103. Just kind of put this on and just lightly go over my face with this. Mainly on my forehead is where I want to use a little bit of this. And I'm kind of barely using this so I don't take down all of the glow, but kind of help just set it a little bit. All right, and then let's do a little final step. I think I'm going to use a little bit of the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Highlighter. This is in Champagne Glow. And I'm going to get a little bit on a pencil brush and put this on the inner corners of my eyes. Not too like intense or anything, just a tiny bit of it. Just like that, okay. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my cheekbones. Get a brush kind of like this. I don't even know where this brush is from. It's like BH Cosmetics from forever ago. A little bit of this on the high points of my cheeks. We're just layering all of the glowy products. I'm gonna take my blush brush that I used and go over the top of that to kind of help blend that together. Okay, here's the finished look. I am out of my comfort zone. I feel like I really want to blot, but I was going for glowy makeup. That was kind of like what I was feeling like doing for this look, so that's what we did. I do like it though. I would just add a little bit more of like I would probably do like the the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores, just to kind of like tone down the glow up here. But anyway, we're just playing with makeup, having fun. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. Please hit a thumbs up if you did. Let me know down below, what are some of your go-to favorite products, maybe that are kind of glowy? I would love to hear that. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video.